Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Stripe payments for property deposits, full guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Stripe payments for property deposits, start by logging into your Stripe account. Navigate to the dashboard. Locate the Payments section in the left-hand menu. Click on Settings. In the Settings menu, find API keys. Make a note of your live and test API keys for future reference. Next, go to your website or application backend where Stripe is integrated. Access the code or configuration files that handle Stripe payments. Identify and locate the Stripe integration code. If you're using a plugin, navigate to the Plugins section in your website's CMS. Deactivate the Stripe payment plugin. Once deactivated, delete the plugin from the plugins list. If you're using custom code, remove all relevant Stripe scripts and SDK references in your codebase. Additionally, check for any webhooks set up in your Stripe account. Navigate back to the Stripe dashboard and click on Webhooks under Settings. Remove any webhooks that are related to your payment processing. After removing the integration, test your website or application to ensure that Stripe payments are completely disabled. Check for any remaining references to Stripe in your codebase. Perform a final review of your settings to confirm that all Stripe-related configurations have been removed. Lastly, inform your users about the changes and provide them with alternative payment methods if necessary. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.